Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with USD versus Canadian dollar first. As I alerted, and as we spoke in a previous forecast, the USD Canadian dollar actually, once we broke this multi-day range a couple of days ago, the sellers really started to control, and they are in control in this market. And we can see that we had just a natural pullbacks. Especially you can see this on hourly time frame, that how well this declining 20 bar moving average on hourly time frame is holding like resistance. And at this stage, market is again that declining 20 bar moving average, and there is still space for lower prices. The next downside objective and meaningful area is set around 1.3475. So there is still chance for lower prices today, and that area around 1.3470 or 450 area. Speaking of the gold is still in the consolidation. I don't see any bigger breakout so far. It's still coiling, and there is a potential for the breakout mode in the next period, but still I don't see that at this stage. Only if we can clear this 2000 area and really go aggressively upside, and we can open the door for higher prices, and maybe even for another $50 move if we can take the 2000 mark. From other side, the market can also remain this week still in this coiling process, and then eventually next week try to break out. In the case of the downside breakout, I will say the area of 1950 is very important. So if the market can go down, break the 1950, that can open the door for lower prices, and maybe for a potential test of this 1900 area. So gold is in a coiling process, and potential for a breakout mode is there. On the crude oil, as alerted in previous forecasts, I still see the very relative strength, and our upside objective for this week is 76.50, 76.60 area. So market is holding pretty well on hourly. I can see here the hourly middle Bollinger is holding pretty well, and it's like a bull flag, or like a small ABC on the 30-minute time frame. So still chance for the high prices towards the 70.60, 40, 70.60, 50 area. And the Bitcoin versus US dollar coiling process, we have a rectangle. Market got rejected yesterday, so there is a chance for lower prices, and again for the potential back towards this lower end of this bracketing area. So there is a chance for the price to go lower towards the 27,000 mark or 26,700 mark. So bracketing market and rejection of the resistance yesterday. That will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and have a good weekend. Speak to you from next Monday.